11 is completed, right? So today we will be starting with the new chapter. We are starting the next chapter, that is lesson number 12. Now what is the name of that chapter? Firstly tell me, from where do we get medicines? हमें medicines कहाँ से मिलती हैं? From where do we get fruits? From where do we get vegetables, oils? These things from where do we get? Yes, tell me. Yes. So we get these things from the plants, right? And we get spices also from the plants. So as we read about the plants, so today in this chapter we are starting the chapter number 12, that is the plants and their care. In this chapter I will be telling you deeply about each and every part, and also about tell you about how to take care of the plants. Okay, so we are starting with the chapter number 12 today. So as we all know, we get lots of things from the plants. We are living beings, right? We are living beings, and living beings need water, food, air, sunlight, right? Without these things we cannot live. Like this, like us, plants are also living organisms or living things. So plants also need these things, like they need water, they need food, they need plants, they need water, they need food, they need sunlight, they need also some air. Okay, so this is about their needs, that what are plants and what are their needs. Plants are also living organisms like us. We also need these things to live, and plants also need these things to live. Now move on to the next topic. Next topic is there, as you all know, in our body there are so many different different parts in our body. Like our body parts, plants are also having so many parts. So firstly I am going to tell you parts of a plant. So listen it carefully. How many parts of the plants does a plant have, and main parts I will be telling you. So the parts of plants I am going to tell you. The first part of plant is the flower. Flower is the part of a plant. Leaf is the part of plant. Fruit is the part of plant. Stem is the part of plant. Branch is the part of plant, and bud is the part of plant. Now these all three things we can see in a plant, right? हम plant में देख सकते हैं. One thing which is under the ground, that is root. That is under the ground, है ना? ये under the ground होता है root. So ये two parts में divided है हमारे parts of plant. Now as you can see in this screen, first part is the flower. The flower is used for we are eating some flowers also, like cauliflower. Okay, then leaf, we are eating leaf of many plants. We are eating fruits of many plants, and we are eating the stems of many plants, and these are the branches, and bud are the main parts which are not shown in this picture. But yeah, branch and bud are the also main part. Then I am going to tell you about the root. Root is the under the ground. Root जो part है वो under the ground है. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, they divided this diagram in two parts. The upper part, which we can see, that part is known as shoots. That part is known as shoot system. Okay, that part is known as shoot system, and the other part that we cannot see, जो part हम देख नहीं पा रहे, that is below the surface, below the earth surface, that is part is known as root system. Understand? So they divided that thing in the two systems. First is shoot system and second is root system. So students, I hope you all understand about it. See, first one is this part. These include the part in the shoot system, and root under the root system. Is it clear to you all about the shoot system and root system? Again, let us start reading about the parts of plants: flower, leaf, fruit, stem, branch, bud. These are the part of the shoot system, and these are the part of the root system, that is roots. Understand? Now I will tell you how they divided it in two parts. See, parts of plant. There are two types of parts of plant. Two types of parts of plant. The first one is root system. The root system. And then the second one is the shoot system. Is it clear? Firstly, the parts of plant divided into two parts. First one is the root system and second one is the shoot system. Now about the root system. You know, root system also divided into two parts. First one is taproot system. And second one is fibrous root system. So these are the two parts of the root system: taproot system and fibrous root system. Is it clear about the root system? Then I will be telling you about the shoot system, which are above the ground. Shoot system, that is above the ground. It doesn't divide into so many parts, but it contains a lot of parts like leaf, bud, flower, and goes in this shoot system. So in today's session, I will be telling you about the root system only. Firstly, we will learn about the root system. So just forget it and focus on the root system. I will be telling the parts of the root system and what are the functions of the root system. So let's see the another part. Yes students, now we are starting with a topic about the root system. So firstly, what is root system? Root system is a part of plant that is below the surface of earth. Root system is a part of plant that is below the surface of earth, that is known as root, or we can say root system. Is it clear? Again I am repeating, what is the root system? Root system is a part of plant that is below the surface of earth. Like see, it is a earth and the roots are the below the surface of earth, and other parts of plants are in the, we can see those parts. Okay, and the root is in the just below the surface of the earth. Clear? Now this root system divided into two parts. Root system divided into two parts. The first one is taproot system, second one is fibrous root system. So firstly I am going to tell you about the taproot system. So what is taproot system? Taproot system having main root. इसके पास एक main root होता है and it grows vertically down in the ground. ये वाले plants जो होते हैं, कुछ some plants are having main root and these plants grows vertically down in the ground. Ground के अंदर ही grow करते हैं वो plants. Okay, and I will be giving you the example. By example you can understand easily. And it gives out the branches, and जो चीजें नीचे grow हो रही हैं उसकी side में branches आ जाती हैं बहुत सारी. Now you know the tap root is the thicker. जो tap root होगा, main root होगा हमारा, वो तो thicker होगा, but their branches are much thinner. बहुत ज़्यादा पतली होती हैं उसके branches, जो branches side में निकल रही हैं, and those branches are known as lateral or side roots. And जो branches side में आ रही हैं, thinner branches, those thinner branches are known as lateral or side roots. Clear? And these roots are very much thinner than the root. Clear? Again I am telling you what is the taproot system. Taproot system is some plants having main root. That is known as taproot. And plants which grow vertically down in the ground and gives out the branches, and those branches are much thinner than the root. And So these thinner branches are known as lateral or side roots. Clear? So this was about the taproot system. And now I am going to tell you about the examples of this. What are the examples? Firstly, the pea plant. As you can see on the screen, this is a pea plant. Pea plant is also having a very thinner branches. Second one is neem tree. Neem tree is a taproot system. Third is mango tree. Is also taproot system plant. Then fourth one is carrot. Carrot plant, as you can see in the screen, the root is under the ground, right? And having many branches. And those small branches are known as lateral or roots. Now the next one is radish. Radish is also same as a carrot. That is also a taproot system. Includes in the taproot system. Okay. So students, this was about the taproot system. I hope you understand that what is taproot system. Now we are starting with the fibrous root system. See, fibrous root system. What is fibrous root system? Fibrous root system is just opposite of this. Plants which are not having main root. Plants जिनके पास main root नहीं होती हैं, but many thin and fiber-like roots. They are having many roots, not only a single root, not only a main root. They are having many roots, but those roots are very thin and fiber, like a fiber. Okay, and those roots are very thin. So its name is fibrous root. So these plants are known as fibrous root. Okay. So it was about the fibrous root system. It was about the taproot system. Now I am going to tell you about the examples of fibrous root system. So what are the examples of fibrous root system? Fibrous root system includes wheat. As you can see on the screen, wheat is the main main example. Wheat, grass, and maize and millet. Maize is a makka and millet is a bajra. So it grows just above, and they are not having main root, many thin, and they are having fiber-like roots. Okay, under the ground. So this was about the fibrous root system and taproot system. Again, I am repeating what is the root system. Root system, a part of plant that is below the surface of earth, and that is divided into the two parts, shoot system and root system. Okay, so now what are the functions of root system? For that, just see the another point. Okay students, now let's learn about the functions of root. So what are the functions of root? See, it helps us in many ways. It just fix the plants. First function is root. First function of root is root fix the plant firmly. Plant को ground के अंदर fix कर देते हैं. It cannot just fall down with a heavy wind or storm. And then second is absorb water and mineral salts. Roots help the plants by absorbing water and mineral salts. It is very important for the growth of the plant. And then next is store food. They store food for the plants. Roots store food for the plants. Then next is provide additional support. They provide additional support. They provide additional support like a pillar. जो plants बहुत ज़्यादा heavy होते हैं उनके लिए support बन के आती है at branches. So let's read about it more deeply. Firstly, roots fix the plants firmly to the ground. This prevents the plant from being pulled out easily or blown away by the wind. Okay. So, just first function is root fix the plants firmly in the ground. Next is they absorb water and mineral salts from the soil. And these substances needed for the growth of the plant. As you all know, the minerals and those water absorb करना बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी होता है plants के लिए. Without water they cannot live, and minerals are almost their food also. Okay. So they store food. Next one is they store food prepared by the plant. Now roots store food prepared by the plant. जो plant का कौन सा part food बनाता है? Leaves make the leaves prepare the food for the plants, right? So they store food prepared by the plant, and roots of plants like carrot, radish, beetroot, and sweet potato. Store food prepared by the plant. These are some plants जो food prepare करके रखते हैं plant के लिए. These roots are called storage roots. इन roots को क्या बोलते हैं? Storage roots. Again, I am repeating the names: carrot, radish, beetroot, and sweet potato. These are the storage roots, and we eat these roots. हम इन roots को खाते हैं ना, beetroot खाते हैं, that is चुकंदर, carrot, radish, and sweet potato, right? Then next is fourth function. Roots of some plants provide additional support. Additional support provide करवाते हैं कुछ roots. Like take a look at a banyan tree. See, as you can see in your book, it is a banyan tree. Banyan tree is just many rope-like growths hang down from its bigger branches. Bigger branches से क्या होता है? बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे rope की तरह कुछ roots hang कर रही होती हैं. So these hanging growths are the special roots. इनको special roots बोला जाता है. They act like pillars. Pillars की तरह act करते हैं and support the heavy branches of the tree. इस tree की branches बहुत ज़्यादा heavy होती हैं ताकि वो मतलब नीचे ना आ जाए. इसके लिए वो एक pillar का काम करके ये वाली roots उसकी help करते हैं. And these are called aerial roots. These are called aerial roots. A-E-R-I-A-L. Aerial roots. Okay, you can see it on the banyan tree. So students, this was about chapter number 12 जो आज हमने पढ़ा about the parts of plants, two types of plants, about the root system and about the shoot system, right? So today I explained you about the root system. In the next session I will give the recap of this again and we'll start with the shoot system. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.